Hi there guys, and welcome back to Crypto Rise, and today we're doing a quant update. Before we get into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when a video comes out. Now let's get straight into the video. So today we're going to be looking at obviously Quant's price, how it's dipped. We're going to be looking at charts and we're going to be analyzing price predictions, where it could be going. So if we look at similar spots right here, we'll be able to analyze where we could see Quant going in the next couple months or couple weeks. Then obviously we've got a video to look at that talks about Quant being a key to many things, and that'll be Mr. Gilbert Verdian talking himself. And there's another, I saw an interesting tweet from one of Crypto Freeze's tweets. He's a crypto enthusiast on Twitter. He's got an account, small account. He talks about just cryptocurrencies in general. Then I've got a video on how India would be using cryptocurrency to just increase their efficiency in their currencies in general that's already there, and an article about how QNT has not finished dumping. Now let's get straight into the market price in general. So at the moment it's not doing too bad. It's dropped down a lot. It recovered from $100 to all the way up to $120. I thought personally the price would go back up. It would go increase even more, but I feel like it's through a lot of news about there being hackers from FTX selling off Ethereum tokens. And if you see a lot of dumping in the market from a big coin, you're obviously going to fear a lot. There's going to be a lot of fear in the market. You won't believe in your coins to be safe. And so people will be thinking, what's the point of keeping the coins there? I might as well just sell everything off. So with that, QNT will be sold as well. So obviously you could expect this in a bear market. If we go to the other coins, the big coins in the market at the moment, we can see, look, everything's quite red at the moment over a 7-day period. BNB's below, gone down by almost 9%. Bitcoin's gone down by 5%, and then obviously Ethereum, because it's getting sold a lot, is dropped down by 10%. There's been drops of Ethereum a lot, because like I said, the hackers have been selling off Ethereum coins. And if we scroll down, you're going to see a lot of red in the market, because we're obviously in a bear market. You're not going to be seeing a lot of green areas, increases in prices, because everything's just following the big coins, and we're at a stop in progress. But that's not for long. We'll be seeing a lot more when the bullish market starts to go into its cycle. Now if you look at the chart itself, if you look at the trading view platform in general, if you put it at a 2-hour chart and see where it could go from here, I mean, if you were to enlarge the picture a bit more, if we get the pencil out, I'll just show you. So it's here at the moment. It's increased a bit on the 2-hour. It's gone up to 104, but I could either see it going high, it rising up from here even more, or from here it could go build a red candle, go straight down, and then up a bit, and then down, and then it will retrace back to a higher point, and I can see it drop all the way down to $80. So from this circle around here, so around this mark here, it could hit close to $80. I've been seeing loads of people saying that it could dump, and this is because, look, there's a support line right here at around $90. And if we make the thing a bit smaller, the graph a bit smaller, look, there's a nice strong support line at $100. But if it breaks that point, you've got another one here at $99. And then another one, we can see it dropping at $90. If it goes below that, I feel like it'll hit at $80. Now, if we look at Greg Lunt's post about Gilbert Verdian talking, he talks about how Quant is a key. People say, why did you add a token? Just give people licenses. But it just doesn't work like that way. From a security perspective, you need to have an authentication or an authorization, and that's done through encryption and keys. So let's just listen to this 40-minute clip of what he's about to say.
You're a developer, you register as your organization, then you provide your Quant Token as part of your registration. So everyone who wants to develop, including enterprise, needs to hold Quant Tokens. If you don't hold them, you can't develop anything. And then if you can't develop anything, you can't publish anything. So you can't do anything without the tokens. There's security encryption keys that give you access. So if you think of Apple, as you mentioned, or Google, you've got your Gmail account or your Apple ID. It's a similar thing. Everyone's going to have a Quant ID. And some people have said, oh, why did you build keys? You just should give them a license. And it doesn't work that way. From a security perspective, you need to have authentication and authorization. And the way to do that is through encryption and keys.
So that was a good video. It was clear. It just showed you why there has to be a token in place itself, because it's the key for everyone's like access to the Overledger account in general. And I saw this interesting tweet about QNT, and he was talking about QNT Bear, saying that wait and see, will visit $9 as per my chart. Maybe it might be a joke, but I don't think he'll get to $9. I think $9 is a bit too far, but he's right about it going down. I've seen a lot of people speculate whether it's going down. He even says right here, I'll not fall into the capitulation trap, selling the bottom because I invested money I don't need. Might hurt a little, but my life will continue the same. I will watch my QNT bag go to $0 or to new all-time highs. Simple. So he's there for the long run. If it, in terms of like, he'll keep his money there, but he won't worry about it. He won't invest with emotions. He'll just leave it to see what it does rather than care too much about it, which is a good way of investing in one way. But to think it'll go to $9 or even $0 in itself, I doubt that will happen. That will need a lot of selling pressure for it to happen. Now from Quant Papa, there's a video about how the Indian government are going to be implementing cryptocurrency into their exchanges for just in terms of money to improve efficiency. Let's watch this video real quick.
Introduction of a central bank digital currency will give a big boost to digital economy. Digital currency will also lead to a more efficient and cheaper currency management system. It is therefore proposed to introduce digital rupee using blockchain and other technologies to be issued by the Reserve Bank of India starting 2022 and 23.
So this is interesting. They're trying to say that they're implementing this around about quite soon. So in the next year or so, they're going to be implementing a cryptocurrency in order to make things efficient and make it cheaper for people to transfer and obtain any funds, which is a good thing, because I can see it going into the future. So in itself, you can just see it being used even more, like in terms of in cryptocurrency. So it's not going to die down anytime soon. Now I've got an interesting news article saying that, look, QNT price is not finished dumping, at least not according to this count. So the resistance is around $130 and $161, and it broke down from an ascending support line. The daily SRI generated bullish divergence. Now if we scroll down a bit further, let's see what its future outline is. So there are two potential waves count for the direction of the future movement. So the bullish count suggests the increase after July 15th is a new bullish impulse. Afterwards, after the quant price completed wave A of ABC corrective structure, so it will complete wave B towards $160 to $170 before falling again. The bearish count suggests that QNT price has instead begun a bearish impulse. In this count, the preceding increase was corrective and the price will now fall to a new lows. So it's trying to say that it will go even lower, and I could see that happen a lot. I mean, a lot of people have been reiterating the same part, that obviously because we're in a bear market, you're going to see prices go lower, but that shouldn't be too much of a worry. I feel like people should just keep their heads up and dollar cost average. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.